Hi everyone, in this video we'll talk about Microsoft Excel View tab, freeze panes and this zoom group. Okay, first we are starting with freeze panes. First of all, what is the meaning of freeze? Freeze means jamana. I think all of you are having freeze or you can say freezer in your homes. What is the use of that? They are used to freeze the ice. So same sense, freeze panes will freeze the rows or columns, means they will not move from their position. Okay, so first of all I am showing you that suppose we are doing data entry here, and as we move downwards one by one, you can see as I reach here, now as I move to next cell, you can see that first row is gone, that electronics one. Now again if I move to downwards, second heading is gone. Then like this, you can see as we are moving downwards, your top rows are going out of the screen, means you are not able to see them. So here this freeze panes will help you to make these rows or columns fixed so that they will not move from their original position, and they will help you in doing data entry. If we talk about this mark sheet, so here you can see our mark sheet is there. Now suppose as I reach here and as I do the entries of later roll numbers, you can see now the headings are gone. Now can you tell me which one is science marks and which was English, which was Sanskrit? So to overcome this problem, we have this option of freeze panes. So if we use them, if we use the freeze pane, these headings will remain visible to you all the time. Okay, so how we can do it? First of all, let's see. Here we have three options: freeze panes, freeze top row and freeze first column. I think all of you know what are rows and columns. This first line is row, this first line is column, and freeze pane. Suppose I'm keeping my cursor here. Okay, now if I click on this first option, you can see some lines are there. Now let's see if we are moving downwards. Look here, this one. As we are moving downwards, your rows 1 to 7 are fixed. They are not moving. But below that, all are moving. That is the use of first option, freeze panes. Means this will help you to freeze the panes wherever you want. It depends on where you leave your cursor, and when you use this option, from that particular position your rows or columns will be freezed. Now if I move to this right hand side, you can see, look here, this one is E, but as I move to right side, you can see, look, A, B, C, D's are fixed, rest are moving. So that is the use of freeze panes. Okay, now again if you want to make your table as it was earlier, I don't want to use this freeze panes, I have to click on this, and now you can see the option unfreeze. As you click on this, it is simple again. Now again if you move downwards, look, it is moving. Okay, so in the freeze panes, wherever you put your cursor, that area will be freezed. Suppose my cursor is here, so if I use this one, now you can see this area is totally freezed, this line. Okay, again unfreeze. Second one is freeze top row. Now look, my cursor is here, but as I click on this top row, only this row will be freezed. Now let's see, I'm moving again downwards. Look, only that first row is visible, rest all are moving. You can see, look. That is the use of freeze first row. Okay, again you can unfreeze it from here. Now if you do it again, let's see, everything is moving. Okay, next one, freeze first column. Now this column is freezed. It will only help you whenever you move right hand side like this. Look, only that name of students column is fixed, rest are moving. If you go downwards again, you can see, look, everything is moving because we have freezed column only. Okay, so this is your freeze pane. This is very important topic. Next one is zoom. I think all of you know what is zoom. Suppose you want to make this bigger, you can use this one. As you click on this, you will get this type of box. Right now it is custom zoomed to 115%. You can make it to 200 also. Click on this and click on OK. Now you can see. Okay. If you want to make it 100%, just click on this. It will be small again. If you want to zoom it custom, means if you want to make it 150%, you have to click on this custom, and here you can type 150 from your keyboard and you can click on OK. From here, look, from this position, you will get the idea how much percent is your sheet zoomed. You can do it from here also. You can move the slider like this to decrease and to increase till 400%. Okay. Now, one more thing. Suppose this is my table. Now I have selected it. Now if you want to make this data on full screen, you can use this option, zoom to selection. Okay. That's it for this video. Please watch, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.